welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be opening BOXYCHARM for this month, which is January of 2021. It's been a crazy year last year, but I have a good feeling about this year, you know? Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and open the January box for BOXYCHARM. It's open. Hello, Charmer. So how you guys doing? How's everything going? Here's the inside of, well, I kind of messed it up, but hey, here's the inside of the box. And for some reason, the card is at the bottom today. So good. Alright, so we have the Fresh Start BOXYCHARM. And don't we all need a fresh start right now? Perfect theme for BOXYCHARM this month. So the first thing we got here is the, let me read this really quick. It's by Queen Studio Dragon Duo. And it looks like from the picture, I'm guessing it's, I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting. So there's two things in here. Looks like they're liners. They look like eyeliners. Or unless this is a lipstick. I don't know. Let's open it. Oh, yep. We have a black liner right here. Just like a regular gel pencil liner. And then we have this one here, which looks pretty cool on the outside. It looks super cool. It has a dragon. It's hard to see it on here, but it has little dragons. This is a liquid liner. Cool. I got two of them. So I got liquid liner and crayon, pencil, whatever. So it's a modern day Boss Babe approved. Okay, I'm not gonna read everything, but you know, got two eyeliners. It's for smoky eye, softer look, created for beginners, loved by pros. So it sounds like it's a really good product. This one comes out to $28. That's pretty good for two of them. That's pretty good. Now we move on to the next one. So we have the Avent Hyaluronic Marigold Tocopherol. What the heck? Oh, okay, that's the ingredients, but they're in the front. How weird. Biface Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. So a micellar water always comes in handy when you want to remove your makeup. So I'm really happy I got this one. I ran out of my last one already. I literally have no more. So like tonight, I need it for my makeup to take it off. It looks like it has a lot of great stuff for your face, like a lot of good ingredients, and that's why it's in the front, I'm guessing. That one is the Avent Skincare by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water, and it comes out to $90. That's expensive. $90. Thank you, BOXYCHARM. Alright, next one. We got the Violet Voss. Oh, that's cute. It says olive you forever. Like olive you forever.
That's so cute.
So I love you forever. It looks like it's a eyeshadow palette. Here's the inside. Has a mirror. And I'm gonna take off the plastic so you can see it. Ooh, looks nice. Some shimmers in there. I don't have any shimmer green. Oh wait, yes I do. I have a shimmer green, but it's like a light green. So this is super neat. I'm not gonna swatch this today. I just don't feel like swatching it, but they're really nice. It's got like some cool names too. It's got like Wink, Olive You, Juicy. It has Lovebird, Olive Glow, Charmed, Wishful. Cool. Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette is $34. Not bad. That's like about the range of a eyeshadow palette. Next one, we have the Apple Baume Boom. I don't know. I'll just show you guys. It's whatever that is. That's a B if you can't see it. The first letter is a B. Please help me pronounce this. I don't know how to pronounce it. But it's a glow lip mask. I've never had a lip mask. I had a lip scrub. I have like 2 lip scrubs and I love them. But I've never had a lip mask. So I'm very curious as how this works. I think I'm holding it. Oops. I'm holding it upside down. This way. There we go. It's by Seraphine Botanicals. I need to hurry up because my phone's dying. Oh wait, you know what? Let's open it and smell it. It kind of looks like a paint tube. It does smell like apples, like strawberries and apples put together. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this.
It's like kind of like clear jelly looking thing.
Okay, so the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Baume Glow Lip Mask is $25. It says it boosts hydration and glow with a protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils. So it sounds like it's a really nice thing to have. It says it's for chapped lips. It soothes, it plumps, all at once. Next one is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It's this one right here. And I have something from Pharmacy already. It's like a makeup remover. And it works really well. It has papayas. Is that papaya? Yeah. It has papayas at the top. So that's so cute. I love it. So this is it. It looks super cool. I love a jar like this. We're gonna smell this. It has a cap. It smells like candy, like a sour candy. Or like a gummy. I don't know what type of gummy, but it smells like a gummy. I like it. I like it a lot. That one is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It comes out to $38. It's oil-free, silicone-free. It's vegan, cruelty-free, hyaluronic acid, all the good stuff. It helps clear pores and reduces shine. That's awesome. I need my pores to be clear all the time. $38, not bad. That's usually the amount that I would buy for a moisturizer. I am actually really impressed with this box. I really like the stuff that came in here. I'm super happy. I'm not so crazy about the palette, but everything else I'm like super excited to try or to use. I know that I need a lot of these things, so it's pretty cool. And you know what? Let's go ahead and swatch the eyeliner really quick right here. Yep, it glides right on. No, I don't need to put any effort. It glides right on. As for the other one, let's go ahead and try this one too. So the tip of this one is a little bit hard. So it's not going to be like wobbly, going all crazy. You're not going to mess up with this one. So that's really good. I think this was a great box. Let me know if you guys think it was a good box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this box. Let me know what your favorite product of this box is, and let me know what you guys got. I know that some of you guys are charmers as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off now because it's getting really dark outside. It's gonna get dark in here, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick review on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. I'm gonna say that this BOXYCHARM box of January 2021 is gonna be a 9 out of 10. Just because first of all, let me mention this really quick. I don't like olives. Not that it has anything to do with this, but you know, just to add on to that, I don't like olives, but I really don't need this one. I don't really use a lot of like cool colors, so that's gonna be 1 point off, you know. But other than that, I mean, everything was nice, everything's cool. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna leave my last video right here in this section if you guys want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.